in this video, I am going to teach you how to find the least common denominator of rational algebraic expressions given that the denominators are binomials or trinomials. So I'm not going to write the rational algebraic expression itself, but I am going to write just the denominator. Okay? And then we will find the LCD of the given. So let's say, for example, we have x minus 3 and x plus 2 as the denominator of the given rational algebraic expression. And we will find, let's say, the LCD of this two binomials. Okay, so these are binomials. So in this case po, kapag naghahanap tayo ng LCD ng binomials or trinomials, we will be using our knowledge in factoring. In this case, we cannot factor both of them. Okay? We cannot factor both of them. Either, kahit anong lesson ng factoring, we cannot factor this. Factoring, like polynomials with a common factor, we cannot use that. We cannot also use the difference of two squares, and we cannot obviously use the sum or difference of two cubes. So therefore, if this is the case na we cannot factor the given binomials, just combine them, and that will be your LCD. Okay? So pagsamahin lang silang dalawa, quantity x minus 3 and then quantity x plus 2. And that will be the LCD of the given or the denominators of the given rational algebraic expression. So pagsasamahin nyo lang sila, and that will be your LCD. How about the next one? So madali lang yung unang example natin. If you cannot factor, then combine the given. Okay? And then the next given, let's say the denominator of rational algebraic expression is 2y plus 8. And then the other one is 3y plus 12. Okay, let's say that is the denominator of the given RAE, okay, or rational algebraic expression. What will be the LCD of these binomials? Again, the given are binomials. So here, as you can see, we can factor this given. Okay? So let's factor them. So the first one that we need to factor is 2y plus 8. And then I'm going to write the second one here, 3y plus 12. Okay? So factoring this, we will apply the lesson, factoring polynomials with a common factor. So, hahanapin natin yung GCF nito. So, ano ang GCF ni 2y and 8? Ang GCF nila ay 2. Okay? And then, we will be forming a binomial. And then, para malaman natin kung ano yung term sa binomial na yon, we will divide the given by the common factor. So, 2y divided by 2 is y. Plus 8 divided by 2, that is 4. So this will be the factorization or the factors of 2y plus 8. Okay? The next one, 3y plus 12, the common factor is 3. And then, we will again form a binomial. So 3y divided by 3, that is y. Plus 12 divided by 3, that is 12. So these are the factorization of both the binomial given. Okay? So, yan na siya ngayon. And then, after getting the factorization or the factors of the given, so let's observe this. I'm just going to move them. And then, right after natin makuha yung factorization, we will combine them by multiplying. But then, as you can see, the factorization, meron silang common factor. So, pareho silang may y plus 4. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, imbes na pareho natin siyang isusulat na y plus quantity y plus 4 and quantity y plus 4, we will count this as 1. Okay? And then we will just be combining 3 and 2. And when I say combining, it means that I am going to multiply 2 and 3. And then, I am going to write y plus 4 as 1. Okay? So, y plus 4. And then, this will lead me to 2 times 3 is 6. And then, y times quantity y plus 4. And this will be your LCD. 6 times quantity y plus 4. Na siya. How about another example? So let's say the given denominator of RAE, or rational algebraic expressions, are trinomials. Trinomials. Okay? So let's say the denominators are x squared minus 2x minus 8. And then we have x squared plus 3x plus 2. Let's say we have that. Okay? So if this is the case, there are 2 lessons in factoring na we can apply in factoring this. Okay? The first one is factoring perfect square trinomials. But I told you na we should disregard that. We should move on to factoring like general trinomials agad-agad para mas mabilis. Okay? Wala na tayong pagpipilian. So, we need to factor both this trinomials. And when you factor general trinomials, you will use the trial and error method. Okay? Until you come up with the correct factor. So, dito, when we factor trinomials, ang sagot dyan lagi is dalawang binomial. Okay? For us to be able to find the terms in the binomial, we need to get the factors of the first and last term in the trinomial. So, ang factors ni x squared, that is x and x, di ba? Now, here, may condition dito. Ano yung factors ni negative 8 na kapag minultiply mo, negative 8 yung sagot, pag inad mo, negative 2 yung sagot? So, let's try negative 8 and positive 1. Okay? So, negative 8 times 1, yes, we did get the third term, negative 8. But when we add negative 8 and 1, negative 2 ba ang sagot? No. The answer is negative 7. Therefore, your factors are not correct. Kaya, sinabi ko na trial and error. Okay? You should try until you come up with the correct factors. So, malamang sa malamang, factors ni negative 8 na kapag minultiply mo ay negative 8 yung sagot, pag inad mo ay negative 2 yung sagot, is negative 4 and positive 2. So, let's check. Negative 4 times 2, that is negative 8. Negative 4 plus 2, that is negative 2. Therefore, these are the factors of the given trinomial. Quantity x minus 4, and then quantity x plus 2. The other one, we will also apply what we did here. So, the factors of x squared is x. And then the factors of 2 na kapag minultiply mo 2 yung sagot, pag inad mo 3 ang sagot ay positive 2, positive 1. Okay? Let's check. No? 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay? So we did come up with the trinomial. Therefore, your factors are correct. So now that we come up with the factors of the given trinomials, we will observe them. No? So, as you can see here, the factors, pareho silang may x plus 2, quantity x plus 2. Therefore, dalawa, no? We will count this as 1. Itong dalawang x plus 2, we will count that as 1. Therefore, kapag nilista natin yung LCD niya, we will just combine them. So, quantity x minus 4, and then yung x plus 2, we will count this as 1. This 2x plus 2. I mean yung dalawang x plus 2. Ika-count lang natin siya as isa. Okay? X plus 2 and then x plus 1. Therefore, this will be the LCD of this trinomial. So, interchangeable kahit ano yung mauna. Ang LCD niya ay quantity x minus 4, quantity x plus 2, quantity x plus 1. Okay? So let's have another example. So let's say we have this. Okay na example natin to 4. We have x squared minus 16 and then x squared minus 8x plus 16. Let's say the given rational algebraic expression, ito yung denominator niya. Okay? Yung dalawa. So we will find the LCD of this two given. So the first one is a binomial and then the second one is a trinomial. So how do we able to find the LCD of these two expressions? So first, again, we will use factoring. No, x squared minus 16 and then x squared minus 8x plus 16. We will factor this two. So in the first given, as you can see, we can factor this using the lesson in difference of two squares kasi pasok yung given. Sa difference of two squares kasi, dapat daw yung given na binomial parehong, yung term sa binomial parehong perfect square. X squared is a perfect square, 16 is a perfect square. So check. And then the terms must be separated by a minus sign. So this binomials actually is a difference of two squares. Okay? So how do we factor difference of two squares? Ang sagot dyan ay dalawang binomial. Okay? Para malaman natin yung term dun sa binomial, we will get the square root of each term in the given. Okay? So square root ni x squared, that is x. Square root ni 16, that is 4. And then the sign is positive and negative. That's how you factor difference of two squares. Now, here in the trinomial, again, katulad ng ginawa natin kanina. Okay, the answer also here is two binomials. And then factors of x squared is x and x. And then factors of 16, na kapag minultiply mo, positive 16 yung sagot. Pag inadd mo ay negative 8 yung sagot. So I believe that is negative 4 and negative 4. So let's check, no? Negative 4 times negative 4, the answer is positive 16. Negative 4 plus negative 4, the answer is negative 8. Therefore, our factors are correct. Now that we find the factors of the given, we will observe them. Okay? So napansin nyo, there are 3x minus 4. May tatlong x minus 4. So kanina, kapag may dalawa na same ng factors, ika-count lang natin yun as isa. Okay? Kapag may dalawa, ika-count lang natin yun as isa. Paano, ma'am, kapag may tatlo na same factors? Ika-count natin yan as dalawa naman. Okay? So, if I am going to list the LCD of this will be x plus 4. And then, count natin si x minus 4, dalawa yung ilalagay natin. Minus 4. Ganyan. Or, we can simply say na i-squared natin si x minus 4 kasi dalawa siya, di ba? So, therefore, kapag nire-write ko yan, ang given is quantity x minus 4 squared. Bakit po, ma'am, in-squared? Kasi dalawa sila. Okay? Para di na kayo mahirapan magsulat. And then, quantity x plus 4. So, we can change this first answer into this. So, that is the LCD. So, quantity x minus 4 squared and then quantity x plus 4. Okay? That is the LCD of example number 4. How about, let's solve another example. Let's say we have example number 5, and we have x squared minus 36 as the denominator of the given RAE, or rational algebraic expression. And then the next one is x squared plus 12x plus 36. So again, this is the same as example number 4. So we will find the LCD. So this one, we can factor this simply kasi ito din, difference of two squares yan. So the factors are x plus 6, or quantity x plus 6 times quantity x minus 6. And then next, the trinomial. So the factors of this trinomial is x, quantity x plus 6, and quantity x plus 6. So, ma'am, bakit naging ganon? Factors of x squared, x times x. Factors of 36 na kapag minultiply mo, 36 yung sagot. Pag in-add mo, 12 yung sagot. So, let's check. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay, so therefore, your factors are correct. Now that we found the factors of the given, let's observe these factorizations. So again, napansin nyo, there are 3x plus 6. Okay, katulad nung kanina, tatlo. So we will count that as 1. So if I am going to write the LCD, quantity x minus 6, and then I'm going to write 2x plus 6. Dalawang x plus 6. And then, sabi ni Ma'am Lainey kanina, I can write this as quantity x plus 6 squared, kasi dalawa siya. So, i-squared mo siya. And then quantity x minus 6. And I can actually change this first answer into this answer. So that is the LCD of example number 5. So quantity x plus 6 squared and quantity x minus 6. How about another example? So let's say we have x squared minus x minus 6, and then x minus 3. Okay, let's say this is the denominators of the given RAEs. Okay? So si x minus 3, yun na yun. We cannot factor x minus 3. So we will stick to x minus 3. Wala na tayong pwedeng gawin sa kanya. But this trinomial, we can still factor this. Okay? So x squared minus x minus 6. So again, factor natin. Factors ni x squared, that is x and x. Factor ni negative 6 na pag pinag-multiply mo, negative 6 yung sagot. Pag in-add mo, negative 1 yung sagot. So the answer here is negative 3 plus 2. Bakit po naging ganon? So let's check, no? Negative 3 times 2, that is negative 6. Negative 3 plus 2, that is negative 1. So therefore, the factors are correct. So if I am going to write these factors beside the other given, so i-write ko na din siya, si x minus 3, you will observe na there are 2 or merong dalawang x minus 3. So therefore, we will count this as 1 only kapag sinulat natin yung LCD. So therefore, the LCD is x plus 2 or quantity x plus 2 and quantity x minus 3. Counted as 1. Okay? Pag dalawa yung same na factors, counted as 1. Pag tatlo, counted as 2. Okay? So that is the LCD of example number 6. How about the last example, which is number 7? So let's say the denominator of the given RAEs are x squared minus x minus 12 and x squared plus 4x plus 3. Let's say we have that. Okay, and we will look for the LCD of these two. So for you to be able to find the LCD, again, you will factor the given. So we will find the factor of the two trinomials. So here, so factors ni x squared is x and x. Factors ni negative 12 na pag pinag-multiply mo, negative 12 yung sagot. Pag inad mo naman, negative 1 yung sagot. So that is negative 4 and positive 3. How do I come up with that factor? So let's check. Negative 4 times 3, that is negative 12. Negative 4 plus 3, that is negative 1. So the factors are correct. And then the second one, factors of x squared is x and the x. And then factors ni 3 na pag pinag-multiply mo 3 yung sagot, pag pinag-add mo 4 yung sagot. That is 3 and 1. Okay, let's check if the factors are correct. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So therefore the factors are correct. So now that I have all the factors of the given trinomials, so observe muna natin sila. Napansin natin na there are 2x plus 3 or may dalawang x plus 3. Therefore, we will count that as 1. So if I am going to write the LCD or the least common denominator of the given, that will be quantity x minus 4, quantity x plus 3, and quantity x plus 1. And that will be the answer. And the answer can be interchangeable or pwede magkapalit-palit. So that's how you find the LCD of the denominator of the given rational algebraic expression, given that the denominators are binomials or trinomials.